Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing about weight loss, how we can lose the weight. So for that, I have explained some of the effective methods to lose your weight. Now comes the exercise and fitness. Regular exercising every day is possible. Is the single most important thing that you can do for your health to reduce your weight. In short term, exercise helps you to control appetite, boost mood, and improves your sleep cycle. In the long term, it reduces the risk of heart and the other diseases that caused by the weight gain. Now, exercise is so important for weight loss. Whatever you were once much more physical active or have ever been to exercise regularly, now great time to exercise and get a fitness and regimen. Getting back your shape is just important for your health as it for your younger age. Why exercise is important for older fatter people, overweight people? Getting your heart rate up is challenging for your muscles or joints, and every system in your body improves the physical and mental health in moderate ways. Physical health activities maintained in health pressure keeps harmful plaque from building in your arteries, reduces inflammation, improve blood sugar levels, strengthen bones, and helps stave off depression. In addition, a regular exercise program can take your sex life. 6 lives better lead to better quality sleep, reduce your risk of some cancer, and is linked to longer life. Many older adult hesitates many overweight adults hesitate to get moving because they are unfamiliar with the types of exercises and fitness that are effective and safe and aren't sure how much exercise they need to do. The good news is that any kind of movement is better than being sedentary, or there is nothing wrong with starting small and working your way up longer. Per week, if you can't start at the level, work up to it, then pass it. While there are many dedicated forms of exercise and fitness for adults, you can also want to stay healthy, active through the day by day, taking stairs, going yard work, and playing with your grandkids. When it comes to exercise and fitness for seniors, most can begin without consulting a doctor, but there are exceptions. If you have a major health condition like diabetes, high blood pressure, heart or lungs disease, osteoporosis, or neurological disease, definitely talk to your doctor first. People with mobility issues such as poor balance or arthritis should get advice for their doctor. So these were the types. Now in the next video we will be discussing the types of exercises needed to reduce the weight, most effective exercises to lose the weight, how much exercises do I need in a month, how much time do I need a month to lose my weight, or the benefits of exercises. Exercise stability is limited. All these topics will be discussed in the next video, so stay connected. Lancer is the answer to the cancer. So please the answer.